guys, it's Aiden, and today I'll be doing a surprise unboxing. So if you haven't saw any of my unboxing videos, check them out. So, we're unboxing a 2x2 Rubik's Cube. Yeah, so this is a 2x2 Rubik's Cube I got off Amazon for $10. And it comes in a box. When you open the box, there's an instruction kit, and then you have the Rubik's Cube. So this is a well-turning Rubik's Cube. I mean, if on its turning, I would give this a 10. So, it has some new accessories, because this is a new cube that this company made. And it corner twists. That's a new accessory. And it's oily, I guess, because you know a good cube has to be oily. So, this brand, I guess, or company, is a Chinese company, and it says the logo right here. And I don't know how to read that, but it's still an awesome cube. I think it turns well, and it corner twists well. Now, if you had a regular cube, it's corner twisting, it's going to be hard, but this one, zoom right through it. So that's also very good. So if you want a good 2x2 Rubik's Cube, you should probably check out this company. I get it off Amazon, link in the description. So yeah. If you want me to do a tutorial on how to do this, then just comment down below and I'll get to you. So, yeah, remember to like, share, and subscribe, and bye!